Carbohydrates, often referred to as carbs, are one of the three macronutrients essential for human nutrition, alongside proteins and fats. Carbohydrates serve as the body's primary source of energy and play a crucial role in fueling various physiological processes. They are composed of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen atoms, typically arranged as sugars, starches, and fibers. Here are some key functions and types of carbohydrates. Energy source. Carbohydrates are the body's preferred source of energy. When consumed, they are broken down into glucose, which can be used by cells for fuel. Glucose not immediately used for energy is stored in the liver and muscles as glycogen for later use. Brain function. Glucose derived from carbohydrates is particularly important for brain function. The brain relies heavily on glucose for energy, and a consistent supply of carbohydrates helps maintain cognitive function and focus. Support for physical activity. Carbohydrates provide the energy needed for physical activity, whether it's high-intensity exercise or everyday activities. Endurance athletes, in particular, rely on carbohydrates to sustain performance during prolonged workouts. Dietary fiber. Certain carbohydrates, such as dietary fiber, are indigestible by the body but play important roles in digestive health. Fiber adds bulk to stool, promotes regularity, and helps prevent constipation. It also helps control blood sugar levels, lower cholesterol, and promote a feeling of fullness, which can aid in weight management. There are two main types of carbohydrates. Simple carbohydrates. These are composed of one or two sugar molecules and are quickly digested and absorbed by the body, leading to rapid spikes in blood sugar levels. Examples include table sugar, sucrose, honey, fruit juices, and processed foods with added sugars. Complex carbohydrates. These are composed of multiple sugar molecules linked together in complex chains. They take longer to digest and provide a more sustained release of energy compared to simple carbohydrates. Complex carbohydrates are found in whole grains, vegetables, legumes, and starchy foods like potatoes and corn. It's important to choose carbohydrates wisely and prioritize whole, unprocessed sources whenever possible. Whole grains, fruits, vegetables, legumes, and dairy products are nutritious sources of carbohydrates that also provide essential vitamins, minerals, and dietary fiber.